And last but not least, for this super cool and interesting science experiment, we created a robotic sphere of which contained a motor on the interior of the sphere, causing it to move.
This was a rather exciting experiment indeed. By using the application via our iPad, the students experimented the up and down functions, causing our robotic smart machine to spin in circles. The students were able to control the pace of movement of how fast/slow we can go. This was a very educational and also a very fun way of practicing our engineering skills as we worked with motors.
Science. T technology. E engineering. M mathematics. STEM, STEM, STEM. STEM, STEM, STEM. S science. T technology. E engineering. M mathematics. STEM, STEM, STEM.